The expression 4 to the power of 18x is equivalent to k to the power of 3x, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? Since this 4 to the power of 18x is equivalent to k to the power of 3x, we can write this stuff as an equation. That is 4 to the power of 18x is equal to k to the power of 3x. 4 to the power of, now we can write this 18x as 6 times 3x. On the right side, we can write this stuff as it is, that is k to the power of 3x. Now we can consider this 3 times x as single value. So then we have two values are multiplied at the exponent over here. Whenever two values are multiplied at the exponent, we can take one of these two values as an exponent for the base, and we can take the other value as an exponent for the whole stuff. Here I am going to take the first value 6 as an exponent for the base 4. Then we get 4 to the 6th power. We can take the second value as an exponent for the whole stuff. Let me write over here. Now we can write the stuff on the right side as it is. Now we can evaluate the value of this 4 to the 6th power using Desmos. When I do so, I am getting 4096, and we can write this exponent as it is. That is 3x. On the right side, we have k to the power of 3x. Now, two powers are equal with the same exponent 3x. Whenever two powers are equal with the same exponent, we can equate the bases. When I do so, I am getting 4096 equals to k. Here I got the value of k, that is 4096.